Hello everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Okay, this is loaded baked potatoes from Costco, and you get this back by the, it's in the refrigerated area by the meat, but they have a bunch of different types of soups. This is one of them. The reason we're showcasing this bad boy is it's because this is by far my wife's most favorite one. So loaded baked potato soup. And this is going for, she said, $8.69. And you get two of them. About what, 240 calories per serving. And it says 5 servings per is what it's saying. All natural. Oh, and it's gluten-free for you folks that are gluten-free. My dad's gluten-free. So it's 1 pound and 8 ounces. Comes plastic there. Okay. Man. Seriously, I could eat it right out of here right now. It smells that good. Oh, ready to heat and serve. So yeah, you can microwave it. Again, generally I like to cook stuff, but we're gonna microwave this today. I don't know if it gives how much time to do it, but microwave, it says 3 minutes. Stir the soup thoroughly and replace plastic wrap or paper towel cover. Heat for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. So, about 6 minutes, I guess, but I'm not going to do it that long. I don't think you need to. So I'm going to do a bowl. I'll tell you how long I'll heat it for then. There's a normal, probably a serving right there, right? Taste that. That's good stuff. Even I like it a lot. Okay, I'm going to do 3 minutes. Hey, real quick. Maybe my wife would clean that microwave for me every once in a while. Oh, what? No, never. Apparently I'm gonna get in trouble. All right, it's been in there for about 1.5 minutes. I can hear it bubbling, popping. So I'm gonna assume that it's done. And yeah, it looks good to me. So that was only 1.5 minutes. Let's see if it's, yeah, that's fine. So for about 1.5 minutes, cook it on in the microwave on high. But this, here you go. That is delicious. Highly recommend. Come here, beautiful. Okay. So you can give it a taste.
I don't know what you could even do. Sprinkle some cheese on top.
Ooh, did you hear that? She said sprinkle some cheese on top. And get crackers. Put a little cheese on there, and then I'm gonna cook it a little more. What do you think? You don't think?
I don't know.
Oh, hey. Kirkland Mexican style blend cheese. Love it. Oh yeah?
I like it with the cheese.
Oh, so Shauna here, my wifey, is recommending the cheese.
Recommend the cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese is good.
Cheese is good on everything. Oh, so good. Well, I got food on my face, but highly recommend that one. So if you like loaded baked potato soup, that's a good one at Costco. Again, hey, thanks for watching, and again, share if you can. We'll bring more of these to you. Hey, have a good one. Love you. Love you. I think that's right. Is that right, son?